as I said, we took the decision yesterday afternoon at 4 o'clock. We knew that Tapelo was injured, but we didn't have, how can you say it, we didn't know everything that could decide that he went with us to Mexico, that we have to drop it. So that's why yesterday we had another scan, another scan to make, and we had to wait to the result. So it was a little bit stressy, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So also the doctor was stressed because yes, we wanted to have the result first before we decided. So I think at 3:30 or something, the doctor called me in my room and said, "Coach, can we see each other?" So we were with the doctor, with Helman, and with the physical coach. The doctor explained us the medical report, and yeah, we didn't see an opportunity to take Tapelo with us. Tapelo should be in the next 2 weeks, I think, not able to train with the national team, with the group. And if you consider that, I don't think that it was good to take him with us. Certainly, it should not be honest towards the other players to take Tapelo. We should have dropped someone else for that, and not be sure that Tapelo should be ready for the second game. So that's make us decide that we don't take Tapelo with us. And it was. I talked to him yesterday after we came back from the president's guest house after announcing the team, and it was an emotional moment, also for me, because I know that Tapelo is someone who can change a game. He did it already in the past for us, so he could be a very important player for us, not only when he started the game, but also when he was on the bench. So and also for me it was a hard decision to make. But as I said already in the past, it's not my heart that decides, it's always my brain. And that's certainly the case for Tapelo when we took the decision yesterday.